Hafta Wahdat, the week of unity, is a blessed occasion where Shia and Sunni Muslims come together to express love, brotherhood and solidarity. Khomeini Rahmatullah alayh give the command to the Muslims to celebrate this occasion, where Shia and Sunni Muslims come closer to respect each other and live like true brothers. This week is celebrated from the 12th to the 17th of Rabiul Awwal in connection with blessed birth of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, who is the symbol of unity for the whole Ummah. The Holy Quran commands, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, وَأَعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not be divided. This verse teaches us that the unity is not only important, but it is an order from Allah. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him and his family, also said, the Muslim is a brother of another Muslim. He does not wrong with him, nor does he leave him alone. This week calls us to rise above division and to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood, so that together we may stand as a one united and strong Muslim nation.